Good afternoon, folks. This is June 21st, Wednesday afternoon, 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time call that we have every week for all those who want to learn what's going on and how to move forward faster. This is where you want to come in addition to our other calls that we have. So I want to appreciate you all coming here today. We've got 27, and that's a good number for us. It's going up, and that's great also. Today, we're going to have a special presentation from our master GSI, Joel Hooper, and I'd like you to take it away, Joel.
All right, perfect. Thank you. My computer's a little slow right now. Man, oh man, what's going on here? All right, I'll do it later. Okay, so thank you everybody for coming here. So I've actually had a couple requests to do a presentation I did a while ago to do it again. So I'm actually, and I think really what's important, if I have time with that one, is to also do another one I did, which kind of goes hand in hand. But and then I've been requested to do a little bit on the Velovita back office. But the first thing we're going to start off with is mail vibes. So if any of you have been here for a while, you may remember the presentation I did on that a while ago. So I'm going to start on that now. So let's get this going. So I'm going to share my screen first of all. Obviously, I do that. Share screen. Okay, and we'll do that one there. Oh, and I need to do it with sound. Share, okay. So we're going to move this over here. And let's start the slideshow. Where's slideshow? Where's a slideshow? Oh, yeah, over here it is. Slideshow. Okay, there we go. So we're doing it on, the first is on organizing templates in Gmail. Okay. And I mean, this is always, it's always great to be able to know how to organize your templates because as we know, I mean, so there's actually two important reasons why this is important. Number one, as you know, a big part of business is the marketing and communicating with people to try and get them or communicating with leads. And so being able to organize your email templates is important. And then as well, it's also important to be able to modify your templates. I mean, we all know that Gmail does have the ability to create templates, but unfortunately, it's not. Well, number one, it's really not easily possible to organize those email templates. They're essentially listed there, and you have to go through the list to find the template that you want to use. And then if you then want to go in and modify that template, then you can do that, but it just kind of then reorganizes it again. So I've actually found a tool that allows you to create email templates as well as go in and modify those email templates, and it's very easy to use. And so let me show you what this tool is. Okay, so the name of the tool is Mail Vibes. Okay, so and it's very easy to use, very easy to install. It's just on a extension through Gmail. Now, one of the things I will tell you about Mail Vibes is that when you add the Google extension to your Google, what's going to happen if you have multiple email addresses? When you open up each of those email addresses, it's going to ask you if you want to allow Mail Vibes on that email. Now, when you see the features of this, you may want to have it on all of them, or you may choose to just have it on your business email. But just to give you a warning that will happen. Okay. And there's our little guy, Happy or Happy. I'm not sure. That's HAPI. I guess that's Happy because there's no Y. All right. So we're going to start by going to the Chrome web store. You want to click on extensions. If you see right there, the arrow points to, and then you want to click on add extension once the pop-up appears. Okay, and then this is what you get when you do add extension. So you'll always want to hit on start, and then you're gonna need to enter in your first name, last name, and then which of the following describes you. And the best one to choose is marketing. Okay, and then we go to the next one, and then this one is optional. So you just click on get started with mail vibes. Don't enter any of the information there, and then just get started with mail vibes. This is to have the to upgrade your mail vibes to the premium. If you look on the right there, that's essentially the differences in between the two. There really isn't a lot. Really, it looks like really the only difference is mass email on the basic is limited, but I have a solution on that as well. Using distribution list is limited as well on the basic, but I really don't use that either. So it's really not necessary to pay for this. And for those of you that are new, you will learn that majority of the stuff Rory has us using is at no charge. Now, there are a couple of things we use where there is a charge, but most of the stuff we use the free versions. Okay, and so then next thing you need to do then is choose which account you want to add mail vibes to. You will then get need to grant mass email permission to that. If you look on the left here where it says grant now, and then you'll need to click on continue to give mail vibes the access. All right, and so that's mail vibes. Okay, so now that the installation is done, we need to create a new email, and then we want to click on the templates icon, and I will actually show you where that is in a moment here, and then we'll do a new template. Okay, and so as I said, I will now demonstrate how this baby works. So let's escape here. So we want to go into our email, and let's just do a new one here. Okay, where's the Gmail button? Gmail. My computer seems to be a little acting up today, so stuff is not working properly, but come on, baby. I don't think I have another one over there, here. I'm not sure why my Gmail did not open up. Yeah, see, it's very slow right now. Wait for that. I don't have anything extra open. I checked for that. Okay. I'm gonna maybe turn off my video. That may help. Stop video. Okay. Peculiar. Let me just stop my share for a minute and get this going. So we'll stop share. Of course. Why is she acting up? Oh, I found one right. Okay, here. We can do this. Okay. I found it. I can do it in. So let's do this. Share. Share. Okay. So this is my email. So what we wanted to do is when we click on compose, and then move this, and then now that I've actually enabled mail vibes, you see when you do compose, you'll now have a new toolbar on the left hand side here, and the second one is the templates. So we click on that. Well, yeah, so we do that and then do a new template. Click on templates here. Okay, and so these are all the ones I've already created. Okay, and then if you see, so let me go back here for a second. If we go to the one with a Gmail for templates, you have to go down on more options, templates, and you see here they all are, and there's really no way to edit them. It's really a matter of selecting it and then going in here, making the changes and then doing a send. Okay. And so obviously that's not really the most advantageous way of doing it. So go back into here. Template. Okay. And then in here now is where you can actually go in here and you create one. So let me create one for you. So I'm gonna do and oh wait a minute. Sorry, you do the other way. Okay, and so then we want to give it a name, test, optional subject, but obviously I always put subject in anyways. And now this here is what's really handy as well. Giving it a code, a short code, and then the code can be maximum of 8 alphanumeric characters. So just test. Once you do that, then save. And then if we go back here to compose and we type in test, hit enter. I call it test. Is that? Oh, I see why. No, not sure why that didn't work, but let's go to the inbox. Close these two. Close this. Compose. And you should be able to just type in the short code, hit enter, and there it goes. It's there. Okay. Another example. So another one I got is get start, enter, and there's the getting started email. So that's really how Mail Vibes works. Okay, now when we're doing our the marketing, and so it always involves us sending you multiple emails, depending on how you do it. But I will text 5, and then email them right after. Okay, now as I said, Mail Vibes it does have a mass email option. I never use it because I actually use a GMass. So a GMass is created pretty much the same way by adding the extension. And the advantage to GMass obviously is that you can do a mass email, sending it to each of the recipients, and then they will then not know that it's been sent to multiple people. Okay, and so once you create your or use your a template, instead of clicking on the send, you want to click on the GMass, and so that'll then send it to each of those recipients. Okay, so that's my Mail Vibes, and what I can do actually is I will share my Mail Vibes presentation and my GMass presentation in the chat. Okay. Are there any, before I go further into the Velovita back office, are there any questions about Mail Vibes? Stop my share. Is that a no? I guess not. Okay,